Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0080SK in color code 002. It's a black-gray color frame. There's a gray double G Gucci logo on the side of the temples. It's a transparent color. This frame is made in Japan. And the lenses are a gray gradient color with the Gucci logo engraved on the right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.